Risk disclaimer. Hello, my friend. This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, coming to you from Dallas, Texas. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing GPS Forex Robot. Of course, by now, possibly you must have seen one of my videos where I reviewed this particular robot, and there has been a lot of questions. So on this video, I'm going to be answering some of the frequently asked questions about GPS Forex Robot. So let's get to it. However, before we continue, I want to say a very big thank you. If this is the very first day that you are visiting our channel, we really welcome you, and we are so glad that you made it here. So do me a favor, there should be a button below this video if you have not subscribed. So click on that button right now, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the bell button so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. Okay, so on this video I'm going to be showing you live account proof, and of course I'll be showing you how to install your GPS Forex Robot when you get it. And of course, as I've promised, if you buy your GPS Forex Robot through my affiliate link, I'm going to be giving you my customized settings, of course a killer setting. Okay, so let me give you 5 seconds, hit the button below, subscribe, and let's get to the video in a second. Awesome. All right, so welcome back, my friend. Once again, this is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. So as you can see, once you purchase your GPS Forex Robot, okay, there will be a link below this video, or you go to gpsforexrobot.net, www.gpsforexrobot.net. You will be able to use my affiliate link to purchase yours. So as you can see, I don't promote what I'm not using myself. So this is personally, I have a 5 account right now that I use GPS Forex Robot on, and just for you to also be aware, right now, you see, this is my VPS. Okay, so what you're going to be needing, you're going to be needing a VPS to be able to have a maximum profit with any robot at all. Okay, I have artificial intelligence that I use. I have my own personal robot that I use, but this is not my personal software. It's a promoted, it's an affiliate product that I promote because I've been using this since 2010, and I can tell you that it works magic. Okay, so this is an account. I have all these accounts right here for GPS Forex Robot, and this is my, as you can see, this is my VPS. It's a virtual computer, as you can see. So it's not really like, okay, my home computer. Then you can see right there, these are all my license. Don't worry, I'm going to block it. You can use it anyway because I've already used it. Then this is a report. As you can see, this account created 2000, and you see right there, that is April 15, 2010, with $8,000. And this is the account right now. As you can see, I'm going to just fast forward it, and you can see this is, as at the time of creating this video, this is 2020. Okay, this was the last time it picked a trade. That was September 2nd. Okay, and right now the balance in this account is 1 million. Okay, over $1 million. So, and this is another account with GPS Forex Robot. As you can see, this is taking a look. This is a trade win. This is 96.6%. Okay, winning ratio. Okay, winning ratio. That is 96.6%. Now, if you want to see which robot is picking the trade. You can see right there. Can you see right there? That is GPS Forex Robot. And over 99.9% of the times, the trades are €0 USD. Don't worry, I'm going to be talking about what you need to know. And also remember that I write a review about this. All you need to do, there should be a link in the description. Okay, click on that link. It's going to take you to where you will read the review that I write about this. And you could Google it also. It's right here. This is GPS Forex Robot, and this is the review that I also personally wrote about this. You can see GPS Forex Robot review. So the bitter truth, nobody has told you about it. So please take your time, read through this, and if you have any questions, of course, I will always be available to answer your question. Okay, let's continue. So this is another account. As you can see, this one here is 98.3% winning ratio. If you look at the orders also right here, you go to close orders and scroll down. You can see also these are all GPS Forex robots. So once again, I don't promote products that I don't use myself. So you want to get your own copy, you can go to www.gpsforexrobot.net, or the link should be at the description of this video. All right, so let me show you once again how like if you order today, right now, you will get access. You see settings. So these are my own personal settings that I'm going to be copying and giving to you. So all you have to do once you place your order, you just email me or contact me on WhatsApp, and you will get my customized settings. I'm talking about killer settings. Okay, so remember that using robots shouldn't replace your own trading. Okay, a robot cannot replace your trading. A robot's supposed to be to supplement your trading, just like Warren Buffett says. He says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. I believe you don't want to do that. So the purpose of having a robot, okay, on one or two or more of your accounts is when you are trading manually on an account or two accounts, then you also want this to be working for you automatically. Okay, so this is how I normally look at my anytime I'm working or I'm using any robot. So let's say, for example, you start an account with $1,000, or let's start with $500. Okay, so you start an account with $500, and then you have a robot that can give you 5% return per month. Now listen, if you are looking for a robot that will be opening gazillion number of trades for you in a day, GPS Forex Robot is not it. Most of the times it trades €USD, as I told you, and of course, most of the times, 99.9% of the time, the trade will be picked during Asian market. That will be in the evening time during Asian market. So most of the times you win like 5 pips, 10 pips, most of the times. And if the robot loses any trade, it will open a reverse trade to counter what it has just lost. And most of the times you will get back what you have lost. So now, as I said, just imagine you open an account with $500 and you put your mind on 10 years, okay, 10 years. So let's say 5% right now per month, and you run this for 10 years. At the end of 10 years, okay, accounts that you start with $500 will be giving you almost $174,000. Okay, yeah, you started with just $500. So what if you started with, let's say, $1,000 and you still have about 5%, 3 to 5% per month, and you run it for 120 months? That is 10 years. Okay, if you are looking for a robot to trade a borrowed money, you quickly borrow some money and you want to put some robot on it, and tomorrow you go withdraw millions of dollars from it. This is not it. But if you are looking for a way to create your own retirement account, this is one of the ways by which you can partake of the forex market. So $1,000, 5%, okay, return per month, and the number of months 120 months, that is 10 years, right? So if you look at this very well, account that you start with $1,000 after 10 years will be giving you $348,000. Okay, $348,000. So now imagine you start an account with 5,000. Okay, and run it for 10 years. After 10 years, this is what you have right there. Oh, that is over $1 million. You know, the account that I showed you, that account was started $8,000, and of course, since 2010, you can see what we have right there. So this is how I look, this is how I look at my trade with robots. Okay, so once again, how do you install a robot? Once you have your robot, you copy the file, you go to File, okay, File, Open Data folder. Once you get to Open Data folder, you go to MQL4 right here, MQL4, then you see Expert folder. That is where you copy and paste the file. Now, if I give you my preset files, all you need to do is copy them and paste right here. You can see right there, you paste them right there. So that is where you go, paste it. And if you have any question, you can always reach me, and I'm always available to render my support, okay? Once again, I will encourage you to go to my blog, read everything that I've posted on this blog. If you have any questions, this gets most of your questions answered, and I hope you are ready to start participating from this over $6.6 trillion daily transaction market. So once again, I want to say a very big thank you for seeing this video, and if you have any question, come on, chat with me on WhatsApp or send me an email to info@tradermatic.net. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, come on, hit the button below, subscribe, and then click that bell to be notified when next we upload new video. Okay, thank you so much, my friend, and I will see you in the next video. Okay.